Hi everyone. We have a very great cosplayer here. Um, what character are you supposed to be?
It's Sue from Clover.
Uh-huh. So that's supposed to be a Clamp, right?
Yeah,
They also did Tsubasa, RG Beta, and all that other stuff. So
Clamp.
was that the first one that you liked? With
No, it wasn't. Like, my first Clamp manga was Cardcaptor Sakura,
uh-huh.
and then like Tsubasa, and then I backtracked.
So it was basically like Tsubasa probably got you into it more.
Like, super into Clamp? Yes.
Yeah. So are we gonna see you over at Expo or FanimeCon or something like that?
Fanime, yeah, but not Expo.
Oh, okay. So, do you have anything special to say to us before you go?
No, not really. I'm not a quote person.
Oh, well, I guess I'll just do the common sense one. Stay out of trouble.
No, that's here.
All right. I'll take care.